Hi traders, and welcome to today's ACY Securities Forex market analysis. My name is Duncan Cooper and I will be your host. Today we'll be focusing on the dollar index and the euro to US dollar. So first we'll look at the news items coming out for the week, and then we'll have a look at the charts. Hi traders, this is at forexfactory.com. Just want to review the news items coming out for the week for the euro US dollar, the pair I'm reviewing today. Now, it's quite a light week for the US. Getting into Wednesday, we do have a minor item, 4:35 AM. These are New South Wales time. FOMC member Brainard speaks. Another minor item getting into Thursday, existing home sales. Then the big one for the week, it really is the Eurozone interest rate decision. So 10:15 PM on Thursday, main refinancing rate, monetary policy statement, expecting 25 base point rise. And then at 10:45 PM, we've got the ECB press conference. So minor items at 10:30 from the US, fully fed manufacturing index, unemployment claims. More on Friday. We've got 5:15 PM, the Euro French flash services PMI coming out. 5:30, German flash manufacturing PMI and German flash services PMI coming out. And then 11:45 PM we've got the US flash services PMI. So those are the news releases that could affect the euro US dollar. The main one being the interest rate decision on Thursday, so be very aware of that. Alright, let's get into the charts. First up, just want to review the dollar index, which has been in a very sustained trend. Here's the monthly chart. And if you squash it in, you'll see that we're hitting into some areas of monthly resistance at the moment. 108.09 and 109.24. So having a bit of a withdrawal from the area, but still in an uptrend. It's just a question of sellers are congregating there, just pushing it down from resistance, but it's not changing the trend as of yet. And on the weekly chart, we're not seeing anything other than an uptrend. We're maybe just having a weak pullback here. 1 week pullback. We did dip below last week's low yesterday, first day of the week. We managed to pull back, and the day chart's just showing that pullback, and we've broken a very minor higher bottom there. So maybe we're having a week down. I mean, this could pull back to the previous level of broken resistance to be support, 105.70 there. So we'll just have to watch to see how deep a pullback we get on the daily chart. Alright, with that in mind, at the moment, that pulling back, we should see pairs to the US dollar moving up. So let's have a look at the euro dollar. Alright, onto the euro dollar monthly chart. Now we've got a sustained monthly downtrend here, lower tops and bottoms. We have traded into an area of support. 101.18 is a monthly level of support. If you go back in time, according to my data on my charts, there's a top here, 101.18, and we've been below that level, but now we're having a bounce above that level. The next monthly level is down at 95.99 if we can get down there. So having a bit of bounce on monthly support from back in time. So it's at 101.18, we're trading at 101.40, so we're above that level. And of course, last week we traded about 50 pips below parity, the one level, and we've had a bounce. So nothing's telling me that the monthly trend is going to change here. We've broken below a major level of monthly support here at 103.40. So what I'm expecting is price could come back to that level, test it and hold as resistance for then the next move down, to maybe move below and stay below parity. Time will tell. That's what I'm looking at the moment. So trend is down, lower tops and bottoms, MACD is down. We're just having a bounce here on monthly support, monthly resistance at 103.40. On the weekly, again, downtrend, lower tops and bottoms, MACD is down. We're just having a week up. All right, nothing really to comment on that other than we're just having a rally. Just putting weekly resistance here, slightly ahead of. There's a low just there, 103.49. go. And weekly support, we use this monthly level here at 101.18. So lower tops and bottoms, MACD still down, just having a rally here. I'm expecting we could come back up to the monthly weekly resistance area here. To the day chart. Alright traders, onto the day chart. Just put in support and resistance. Support's down here at 99.52. And day support's here at 103.59. Alright, so what I'm looking for is, can price rally back up to this resistance area? 103.40, 103.49 monthly weekly resistance, and also there's day resistance slightly beyond that 103.59. So I don't know if we can get there ahead of Thursday, but certainly when the interest rate decision comes out, price can then pop up to that level. Then I'm going to be monitoring that level to see where the price can fail. Now I'm going to draw a fib in, because what I've also noticed is from, this is a weekly top down to that low, 62% levels at 103.61. So there's a confluence area of resistance there from 103.40 monthly resistance up to that fib at 103.61 by the 21 pip resistance area. I'm going to be watching that level or area when the ECB interest rate decision comes out. Does price start to deal at that level, hold, turn around? If it does, then I'm going to be looking for an opportunity to sell on a lower time frame for a further move down, to come down and challenge the recent support low formed, and can we start to hold below parity and move further down. Alright, so Thursday will be a big event day, and this is the area that I'm watching, 103.40 monthly resistance up to 103.61, the 62% level. Does price rally, hold and fell at that area for the next move down? Alright traders, that's my analysis for today. Have a great trading week. I look forward to seeing you next time.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities, as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week:
Forex Trading Live Market Analysis. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunities, and answer your trading questions.
20th of July.
Position trading using the monthly and weekly trading ranges, combining Fibonacci higher time frame support and resistance levels to determine key trading levels over a 1 to 4 week time period or longer.
21st of July.
Live Forex market review, identifying high probability trading levels. During this webinar, Duncan will analyze the trend, support and resistance and use Fibonacci retracements to identify high probability trading levels on the major currency pairs.
Follow the link below for a full schedule of webinars and join for free.